Otite Nsugbe Festival 2025 has ended featuring outing of Ukwama age grade Nsugbe, who were initiated into adulthood, and display of various masquerades, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of Nsugbe people. The 4-day-long event climaxed with members of the community gathering at Agbalabo Village Square to celebrate bountiful harvest and thank God for the gift of yam. Emmanuel Chubata now completes the story.
Culture binds people together, and for Nsugbe community in Anambra East Council area, celebrating tradition is celebrating identity. This was evident at Ifite Quarters, Nsugbe, Agbalabo village, precisely where indigenes of Nsugbe converged to mark the grand finale of the 2025 Otite Festival with joy and excitement. The 3-day festival is a period when the 3 quarters in Nsugbe, Ezi, Ikenga, and Ifite Quarters celebrate New Yam, bringing to limelight their rich cultural heritage and tradition. During the annual celebration, sons and daughters of Nsugbe from far and near, including those in the diaspora, returned to witness the event firsthand. The high point of the celebration was the formal induction and public appearance of the Ukwama age grade, whose members, clad in colorful traditional outfits, danced into the arena to the cheers, songs, and prayers of the community, marking their transition into adulthood and recognition as responsible men and women of Nsugbe. The patron of the age grade, Mr. Chukwudi Odipo, and the matron, Chief Mrs. Obianuju Osakwe, expressed delight at the successful outing of their wards, praying for their success.
I wish them well. They shall progress. Their family shall be blessed. They are going out, coming in shall be blessed.
This is a ceremony that is historic. This ceremony has spread over the years. Our forefathers did it. It's unique because it's cultural, one. That makes it unique. And spectacular is that is a showcase of our tradition.
Agbalabo Village Square, venue of the event, came alive with cultural displays, including the majestic Ijele masquerade, whose size, colors, and dramatic dance steps thrilled the crowd, while other masquerades also entertained the people, as spectators just stood for space to catch a glimpse, with many capturing the sights and sounds on their phones. Prominent Nsugbe sons and daughters, including Chief Ifeanyi Chukwutagbo, the Odu of Nsugbe, Chief James Nzekwesili, a chieftain, Engineer Jude Mofunanya, the President General of Nsugbe, Dr. Chinweze Ezeanwu, and other community leaders graced the occasion.
I'm so excited. I'm so happy, glad. You know, glad in the sense that you can see how the discussion is going on. They now contribute unity. This people the unity, to come and celebrate them for what they have done. They are doing very, very well.
Speaking on behalf of the newly inducted age grade, the chairman, Mr. Patrick Mofunanya, alongside Lady Amaka Onwuzulike and Engineer Shidi Obiodo, described the induction as both an honor and a call to greater responsibility.
Those age grades, again, inducted, a project for the community, a developmental project, that's it. So, Nsugbe and I want to former age grade or modern post I handle Nsugbe.
Na Chineke ga-eduba anyị chebe anyị. Mgbe na-ayọ ndị okwu ọma dịka ịyọm okwu ọma, ịyọm zuru ezu, ada nwere ugwu na Nsugbe, ana m ayọ ụmụ ọgbọ anyị niile. Si ka anyị na-achịkọta ọnụ. Ka anyị kwudosie n'ime nwanne lọvụ a anyị na-eme. Ya bụ ndụmọdụ nna-adụ. Onye ọbụla bụ onye ukwu ọma, anyị were ịfụnanya, anyị wee na-eje, anyị were nwayọ wee na-eje, anyị jidesie Chukwu aka. So na ndị anyị na-atọta ga-eye isi na arọ na-abụọ na-abịa otu anyị si mee nke ba ga-eme ya akarị nke anyị.
Anyị ji afọ ya wee mara afọ ọgbọ anyị ya bụ ụkwụ ọma. So ọ ụbọchị pụrụ iche ka ọ bụ n'ebe ndị ụkwụ ọma niile ejire niile nọ na Nsugbe. So ọ dị iche, ọ pụrụ iche ka ọ bụ.
With Otite Nsugbe 2025 done and dusted, it is the wish of every Onye Nsugbe that there will be bountiful harvest in the coming year so that all Nsugbereans will come back to give glory to God of harvest in long life and good health. From Nsugbe, I am Emmanuel Shibata for ABS Insider News.